Good afternoon and welcome to Peabody's Laboratory. Today we will be doing an unboxing, so let's get to it. Got an old blade here, came from a ratchet, which is basically I guess you would call it a Caribbean switchblade. It's one of my favorite blades, but the metal is good, so I kept the blade even though the handle broke. So I don't need it for this guy, but I might need it for this box. So today we are unboxing an Echo Dot 4th generation. This is the one where they changed it from the puck shape to the almost ball shape. My understanding is that it's supposed to have better audio. Here's a look at the back of the box. I do know that it supposedly has forward-facing speakers to get better sound. So let's go ahead. And even though there's a little thing here, I'm just going to slice it because I like to keep the boxes neat. Alright, let's see what we got. So the lid kind of gives you a clue. If you can see that clearly, it's almost saying that step number 1 would be to download the Alexa app onto your phone. And step number 2 obviously would be to get power to the device. I've already installed the Alexa app on my phone, but I will go ahead and leave a link for that in the video as it's completed. So let's see what we have here. Looks like we've got a little compartment, and we're going to find our power cord right here. Standard power cord. I can't see exactly how long the cord is. I know it says 15 watt on it. Let's see what the box says about the cord. See if the box says anything. The box does not mention a link to the cord. Alright, so here's your power brick. Put that over there. And here is your little softball, aka Echo Dot. They've changed it so that the lights are on the bottom now, and obviously there's a back and a front, and the idea is to have it face forward. You can see the angle of the line. The angle kind of goes this way to give a front-facing sound. So ideally, it would be sat flat. It's not like the last generation. The puck could actually be mounted on the wall, especially because of the direction of the speakers. So I'm going to go ahead and remove some of this plastic binding. I'm going to try to remove this plastic binding. There we go. And the rest just slips off. I'll put that there and put this down. And there you have it. There are your information booklets that come with it. I'll go ahead and put this back in the box. Alright, so there's not much to it. So I'm going to reorient and plug this guy in and go get my phone and see if I can't set it up with Alexa on the app. So part 2 of the video will be coming up shortly. Thank you for watching, and this is Mr. Peabody signing out for now. Alright, we are back. I have got my power brick plugged in and got the rear of the Echo Dot facing out. It's going to be the jack on the left side as the back faces away from you. So let's go ahead and plug this in. I'm going to kind of face the speaker toward me a little bit. Alright, I may have spoiled. Oh, here we go. A little turning on jingle there.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Okay, so Alexa greets you in English, Spanish, and French when you plug in the new Echo device. And I am recording this with the mobile phone that has the app on it. So I'm not going to be able to show the setup of how to connect a device, but I will put a link in the video. It's pretty self-explanatory. And there are also ways to connect Echo Dots from room to room, and also to connect the Echo Dot to other Bluetooth speakers. I will include those links in the video as well. So that's going to do it for today. Just something real quick. One of my, I guess this would be my first tech tips and tricks video that I shot for the channel. So there it is. I'm going to set this guy up and see how it sounds. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Peabody signing out.